Blockchain technology and artificial intelligence, AI, can have both direct and indirect effects on each other's development and potential applications. AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are made to think and act like humans. It involves creating algorithms and computer programs that can execute tasks that usually require human cognition, including visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Different forms of AI exist, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision.
If this is the first time you are visiting our channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Blockchain is a digital ledger technology that uses a decentralized network of computers to record and verify transactions. It is most commonly associated with the digital currency Bitcoin, but it can be used for a wide variety of applications, including smart contracts, supply chain management, and voting systems. The key feature of blockchain technology is that it is a distributed ledger, meaning that there is no central authority or intermediary controlling the system. Instead, transactions are recorded and verified by the network of users, making it a secure and tamper-proof way of storing and sharing data. Blockchain's decentralized and immutable nature can provide a reliable and transparent framework for storing and verifying data. This can be particularly beneficial for AI applications that require trustworthy and tamper-resistant datasets, such as in healthcare, finance, and supply chain management. Blockchain can enable secure data sharing among multiple parties while maintaining privacy and control over sensitive information. This can facilitate collaborative AI projects, where different organizations can contribute and access datasets without compromising data privacy. AI technologies can enhance the capabilities of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts stored on the blockchain. By integrating AI algorithms, smart contracts can automatically execute actions based on predefined conditions or make decisions based on real-time data, enabling more complex and dynamic interactions on the blockchain. AI techniques, such as machine learning, can be employed to optimize blockchain consensus mechanisms, improve scalability, and reduce energy consumption. This can address some of the challenges associated with the scalability and performance of blockchain networks. The synergy between blockchain and AI can lead to innovative solutions in various domains. Blockchain can enhance the reliability, transparency, and privacy of AI systems, while AI can augment the automation, decision-making, and efficiency of blockchain networks. As both technologies advance, their integration has the potential to unlock new possibilities, ranging from decentralized AI applications to secure and trusted data exchange ecosystems.